Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest products on the market? Well, you are in the right place here. We present the latest and the best safety products of this year. If you want to buy these amazing products, then go through the links which are given in the description box. Product 1. Product name: Knocky Clear Safety Glasses. Knocky Clear Safety Glasses are a prime choice for individuals, particularly men, seeking reliable eye protection in various work or leisure environments. These glasses feature wrap-around lenses that not only shield the eyes from potential hazards, but also resist fogging and scratching, ensuring clear vision and durability. With adjustable temples and nose pads, they offer a comfortable fit for both men and women. Moreover, these glasses are certified to meet ANSI Z87 safety standards, guaranteeing their effectiveness and safeguarding against impacts and UV radiation. Whether it's construction sites, laboratories, or outdoor activities, these safety glasses provide essential eye protection without compromise. Product 2. JSAF 9 Pockets Class 2 High Visibility Zipper Front Safety Vest. The JSAF 9 Pockets Class 2 High Visibility Zipper Front Safety Vest is a crucial piece of personal protective equipment designed to enhance worker safety, particularly in environments where high visibility is essential. This vest, available in a large size with a striking yellow color, features 9 pockets, offering ample storage space for various tools, equipment, or personal items that workers may need to carry with them on the job. One of the standout features of this safety vest is its zipper front, which provides easy and secure closure, ensuring a comfortable and snug fit for the wearer. Additionally, the vest is equipped with reflective strips that significantly enhance visibility, especially in low light conditions or environments with reduced visibility. Importantly, the JSAF vest meets the ANSI standard for Class 2 high visibility apparel, indicating its compliance with industry safety regulations and standards. This certification ability and effectiveness in helping workers stay safe and visible while on the job. Overall, the JSAF 9 Pockets Class 2 High Visibility Zipper Front Safety Vest is a practical and essential safety garment for workers in construction, roadwork, traffic control, and other similar industries, where visibility is paramount for ensuring safety on the job site. Its durable construction, ample storage capacity, and compliance with safety standards make it a valuable addition to any work. Product 3. Product name: Backseat Passenger Safety Mirror. The Backseat Passenger Safety Mirror, also known as a blind spot mirror or rear-view mirror for kids, is a crucial accessory for ensuring the safety of passengers, particularly children, in vehicles. Designed with universal fitment in mind, these mirrors are adaptable to various car models, providing a wide range of visibility. They typically come in a pack of 2, allowing for placement on both sides of the rear seat. One of the key features of these mirrors is their 360 degrees rotation capability, enabling users to adjust the angle for optimal visibility. This flexibility ensures that drivers can monitor the rearward-facing passengers without needing to turn around, thereby maintaining focus on the road ahead. To enhance stability and prevent slippage, these mirrors often incorporate anti-slip mechanisms or materials into their design. This ensures that the mirrors remain securely in place even during bumpy rides or sudden maneuvers, further enhancing safety. The primary purpose of the backseat pass is to provide parents and guardians with a clear view of their children in the Product 4. Product name: Sparos Lumbar Support Belt. The Sparos Lumbar Support Belt offers a comprehensive solution for those seeking relief from back pain, sciatica, and herniated discs. Designed to provide immediate relief, this brace boasts a breathable construction with a lumbar pad, ensuring comfort while addressing various lumbar issues. Its adjustable design caters to both men and women, including those requiring plus sizes like XXL, making it accessible to a wide range of users. With its emphasis on breathability, the Sparos Lumbar Support Belt aims to alleviate discomfort without compromising on comfort or mobility. The lumbar pad provides targeted support to the lower back, assisting in maintaining proper posture and reducing strain on the spine. Whether you're dealing with chronic back issues or seeking preventative support during physical activities, this belt offers a versatile solution. In summary, the Sparos Lumbar Support Belt stands out for its immediate relief, breathable design, lumbar pad, and preventing various lumbar-related discomfort. Product 5. Product name: Childproof Toilet Lid Lock with Arm. The Childproof Toilet Lid Lock with Arm is a crucial safety accessory for parents and caregivers to ensure the safety of toddlers and young children in the bathroom. Designed to prevent children from accessing the toilet bowl, this product offers peace of mind by effectively securing the toilet lid in a closed position. With its innovative arm mechanism, it provides an extra layer of protection against curious little hands, ensuring that the lid remains securely locked. This product boasts easy installation with no need for tools, thanks to its 3M adhesive backing. This feature makes it convenient for busy parents who want to quickly childproof their toilets without the hassle of drilling or complex installations. The white color of the lock allows it to seamlessly blend with most toilet designs, maintaining the aesthetic appeal of the bathroom while prioritizing safety. Sold in a pack of 2, this childproof toilet lid lock is a cost-effective solution for households with multiple bathrooms or for caregivers who need to secure different locations. Its universal design ensures compatibility with most standard toilet models, making it a versatile option for a wide range of households. In summary, the Childproof Toilet Lid Lock with Arm offers a top safety solution for childproofing toilets, providing easy installation, reliable security, and universal compatibility, all aimed at keeping young children safe in the bathroom. Product 6. Product name: Atmore Toddler Backpack. The Atmore Toddler Backpack is a multifunctional accessory designed with both practicality and safety in mind. It serves as a backpack for toddlers, featuring a cute dinosaur design that appeals to children. Beyond its adorable appearance, it incorporates a safety leash system, including a wrist link and wristband tether strap, aimed at preventing children from wandering off or getting lost in crowded places. This backpack harness hybrid offers parents peace of mind by providing a secure way to keep their toddlers clothes while on the go. The inclusion of protection leashes further enhances safety measures, ensuring that the child remains within a safe distance. The black color option provides a versatile choice for parents looking for a gender-neutral option. Overall, the Atmore Toddler Backpack offers a blend of functionality, safety, and style, making it a practical choice for outings and everyday use with young children.